All right, so we got the Purple Heart. I put in a 3/4 inch Forstner bit, and I've marked out the centers of the spots that I want to use. And we're just gonna go ahead and, these might be a little small, but I don't have a lot of Purple Heart left over, so we're just gonna do what we can. All right, so there we got some stuff there. I'm gonna take these over to the chop saw and cut those down to size. Okay, so now we got our holes cut and our dowels cut. What we're going to do is we're going to take these things over to the sander and sand them down. I did over there, if you can see that, I took about a half of it down, maybe, I don't even know, not even, maybe a 1/16 of an inch on the side. So that way when I put it in the hole, it's nice and snug, but yet I can still pull it out. Okay. So now that we got these things sanded down to where we would want them, same thing with the Purple Heart. And they straighten right up. And then I'm flush on the bottom. I think those look pretty cool. And then what I'm going to do is just take them over to the sander and then knock off these edges. These are going to work out pretty good. The brass ones you could go get, cost a lot of money, and these are something I have around. We're going to try them out. We're going to see if it works.